Hi, Classy Claus, another video. I put some nails on my friend last week and 4 or 5 fell off. We're not sure whether it's the heat or whether I was kind of thinking maybe primer goes out of date, but I've Googled it and no it doesn't. So clearly my prep was a bit shit for the nails to fall off. A couple of mine came off, but I forgot to put primer on mine, so that was why. But I know I'd put primer on hers. Anyway, I went on eBay and I managed to find somebody selling some Young Nails Protein Bond. And then when I did a bit of research, it's about £26 for a little teeny weeny bottle. And I got this, I bidded on this and I got it for about £12 or £13, something like that. And then with postage, £15. So I thought it was worth every penny really, that, you know, we might get the nails to stay on. Anyway, she did have longer nails last time and she is quite hard on her nails. She said she was scratching her head and she was in a meeting and the nail had come off and it was stuck in her hair throughout the whole meeting. That's really quite funny. I shouldn't laugh really, but it is funny. Anyway, it was only when she got home, she's like, where's this bloody nail gone, and realised it was stuck in her hair. Anyway, so she took the rest of the nails off and then we decided to put a whole new set on, and they were the green set that I put on the other video. That was the ones that she had on. So we went for these little pink and white set because I've kind of got pink and white on at the minute, and we decided to go for the normal length that she has, is the short square. So we've gone in on the little nail with Rainbow Lights by the Glitter Fairy, and then this nail is a bit of a marble nail. But the weather, it's so warm, it was just setting within seconds. I just had a real problem with it setting, so I had to be super quick. This next nail, I can't remember now, obviously, until I do it, what I did. I think it's just a glitter ombre. I'll tell you in a minute. Because I did them on Sunday and it's now Tuesday. And obviously I've slept since and can't remember. That's the more anyway, that I've gone in with a more. Now I'm just putting a bit clear on the base. So yeah, I'm going to go in with some glitter, and it was that Opal confetti, my new favourite, as you all know, from Nail Sugar. Love that stuff. So we did a bit of a glitter ombre on that one. This nail is going to be, I think it might be a full glitter on this one. I can't really remember. My memory is shocking. I'm going in with a more again, so maybe it wasn't full glitter, because I wouldn't do that. I'd go in with clear. Oh, I know what it was. It was a full plain pink nail. It was just very plain, just with a more over the whole nail. That's what it was. And you know what? The simple ones, I think, always look nice. They look fresh, they look clean. I think they're just lovely. And this Amore is just beautiful. And stick a bit of glitter on the other fingers and you've got a set. My cuticle work was not great on this set when I look back at the filing. I think I was just too hot and I kept getting cramp in my hands. I don't know if anyone else has had it before, but God, I was having a nightmare. As soon as I went to hold a file, my fingers were cramping up. So I really struggled a lot with this set. So I don't know whether that's lack of water or what it is, but I'll tell you what, it was bloody annoying. And that for the beginning of doing the nails, for a good half an hour, I could hardly use both hands because they kept cramping. So I had a glass of water and I put the fan on to cool the room down a bit, and then they started to be okay then. But it's just a bloody pain in the arse. You can't be a nail tech if your fingers don't work. Anyway, I'm going in with some capping this nail, this pink nail. You don't really need to with them more, but I like to cap all my nails, as you know. The thumb, I'd gone in with some coconut milk, and then I'm just going to go over with another layer. I'm going to put some glitter over this nail as well, so I wanted to keep it relatively thin really. I didn't want to bulk it up too much, so I just kept putting thin layers on, trying to make sure that it wasn't patchy or shadowy or whatever you want to call it. And then I go in with some pink and more, I think, and then glitter. So I'm just letting that thumb dry, and I'm going back, starting capping. So capping with crystal glass as usual. And then I'll do my filing routine afterwards. Use my electric file around the cuticle, my hand file for edges, sides and free edge, and then I buff over the top with my buffing block. And then I have actually managed to leave a bit in tonight of me putting the top coat on. All the dramas last week with the fire outside, so no dramas today. So I hope you like this set. Give me a thumbs up if you like it. Don't criticise my cuticles too much, because I've spotted it myself and I've told you. It's almost like a disclaimer. If I point out the bad bits, then you don't have to. Anyway, subscribe if you haven't already. Leave some comments if you want me to do anything in particular. I'd love to get some feedback. I do like getting all your messages. We've kind of, the subscriptions kind of has slowed down a little bit now. We're on about 226, so I'd like to get it up to about 250 if I can. That would be great. All right, thank you very much everybody for watching. I'll leave you to watch the rest in peace, and I'll see you on my next one. All right then, bye, 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 bye. bye.